Welcome to Pharma Health Insights with Rajesh. Today, I will be diving into why the pharmaceutical industry is set to finish 2024 as the best performing sector. Stick around as I explore key insights and top stock picks for the upcoming year. Let's get started. Pharma, the top performing sector. (2024) has been a remarkable year for the pharmaceutical sector, outshining industries like real estate and consumer durables. Meanwhile, energy, FMCG, banking, and manufacturing have lagged behind. 8 other sectors have delivered double-digit returns, surpassing the BSE Sensex year-to-date. Looking ahead, the Indian pharmaceutical industry is predicted to grow 9-11% in FY25 and FY26. Key drivers, price increases, new domestic launches, and rising export demand from regulated markets. The Production-Linked Incentive (PLI) program has further boosted local manufacturing, with 18-20% of imported drugs now made in India. Hospital sector insights. Hospitals are also expected to thrive, with higher occupancy rates, increased bed capacity, and improved realizations. Analysts predict strong profitability growth for the sector. Digital adoption in Tier 1 and Tier 2 cities. Another factor driving growth is the increasing digital adoption and internet connectivity, expanding healthcare's reach to Tier 1 and Tier 2 cities. This transformation is shaping the future of the industry. Top pharma stocks for 2025. Now, let's take a closer look at the top pharmaceutical and healthcare stocks analysts recommend for 2025. Mankind Pharma. First on the list is Mankind Pharma, founded in 1995. Known for brands like Acnes, Preganews, and Manforce, Mankind Pharma is a leader in branded formulations, generics, and APIs. Analysts project its stock to hit ₹3,140, driven by a strong specialty portfolio and robust chronic treatments. IPCA Laboratories. Next, we have IPCA Laboratories, established in 1949. This company excels in diabetes, dermatology, cardiovascular care, and more. Analysts see a 23% upside, with a price target of ₹1,930, thanks to US product relaunches, global market expansion, and Unichem synergies. Max Healthcare Institute. Founded in 2001, Max Healthcare is renowned for its comprehensive medical care, spanning emergency care, neurology, cardiology, and oncology. Analysts forecast a 21% upside, targeting ₹1,380, fueled by strategic growth and operating leverage benefits. Piramal Pharma. Piramal Pharma, founded in 1988, is a global leader in drug development and life-saving injectable drugs. Analysts predict a 20% upside, with a price target of ₹310, as net profits are expected to soar from ₹56 crore in FY24 to ₹700 crore in FY26. Lupin. Lastly, Lupin is making a strong comeback, driven by niche product launches in US generics and standout domestic performance. Despite a limited upside of ₹2,210 set by analysts, Lupin's stock has already surged 66% in 2024. As you can see, the pharmaceutical and healthcare sectors are packed with opportunities for 2025. Which stocks are you planning to invest in? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Pharma Health Insights with Rajesh for more updates on the pharma and healthcare world. See you next time.